So hello friends, welcome to the second session of the Q values of nuclear reaction. So in previous class we have known about the Q values and types of Q values, exoergic and endoergic reaction, and we are knowing about the Q values. But now we will derive the equation for the Q values of nuclear reaction. So next, applying law of conservation of linear momentum along x-axis before and after collision, we get. So here we have target nucleus, and we have projectile particle, and it is the target nucleus, and we have the daughter nucleus and the outcoming particle. So this is the x component of the projectile particle and the target nucleus, and this is the y component of the outcoming daughter nuclei and the outcoming particle. So before, after and after collision we get MAVA plus MXPX. So before collision we have the target nucleus and the bombarding particle, that means projectile particles. So projectile particles and the target nucleus. Now second, MYVY cos phi plus MYVB cos theta. So corresponding to x-axis, the MB with the theta component, and for MY and the phi component. So MYVY cos phi and MYVB cos theta. Now MAVA plus MXV x equal to 0, because velocity component x equal to 0, because the target nucleus is in rest, so momentum will be 0. Now MYVY cos phi plus MYVB cos theta, here bx equal to 0. No, MYVY cos phi, MYVY cos phi we have taken in left side. Now MAVA minus MYVY cos theta. So we take equation number 1. Now applying law of conservation of linear momentum along y-axis before and after collision. So in first equation we have taken the conservation law of momentum in along the x-axis. Now we take along y-axis. So along y-axis, the all components before collision will be 0, and after collision, and that means in case of daughter nucleus and the outcoming particle, we get the y component MYVY sin phi plus minus MBVB sin theta. So MYVY sin phi equal to MBVB sin theta. So squaring and adding equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and equation 2 is square and added. So MY square VY square MY square VY square cos phi square, okay, plus MY square VY square VY square sin square phi. Now MA minus MAVA minus MYVB cos theta का whole square of this. Now MBVB squares and sin theta, it is the whole square of this. Now MY square VY square we take common, and that's cos square phi plus sin square phi. MA square V square plus MB square A minus B, whole square of A minus B is MA square VA square plus MB square VB square cos square theta minus 2 MAVA MBVB MAVA MBVB cos theta and MBA square MBA square VBA square sin square theta. Now we know that the cos square phi plus sin square phi is equal to 1. So MY square VY square equal to MA square VA square plus MBA square VBA square cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta, because MBA square VBA square cos square theta plus MBA square VBA square sin square theta. We take in common MBB VBA square and we get the cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 MA square VA square into which to a square root under VA square cos theta. So we take under a square root and we square it. Okay, next my, we take my common and this thus we have my VY square, and we take also ma common, ma VA square, and also we take common ma in a small bracket MB VA square and 2 cos theta. We take also common ma VA square into MB VA square. So here we take in the form of energy. We are trying to get the form of energy, kinetic energy of all these components. So we are taking common. So 2, we apply 2 by 2 rule. So we multiply 2 and divide by 2. So half my VY, that means MVA square in form of MVA square. So we get KE EY, that means EY. So also in here 2 by 2 we have to multiply by 2. Now 2 my EY, that means it is the component of kinetic energy of Y component of these same values. Here case in here also MAEA plus 2 MB EB minus 2 cos theta under root 2 MAEA 2 MB EB. Now dividing both side by 2 my. So we divide 2 my from both sides of our above equation. So 2 my EY by 2 my, also divide by 2 my, 2 my, 2 my. Here 2 2 is 4 MAEA, MAEA, MBEB. So after dividing we get EY, MAMY, EA, MB, MBY, EB minus cos theta into 2. Here 2 to cancel and a square 4 will be 2. So MA square EA, MB, EB. So EY, MA, EA into EA plus MB by MY, EB minus 2 cos theta, MA by a square root under MA by MY, E, A, MB by MY, E, B. Since Q equal to EY plus EB minus EA, as we know from the question number 2. Question number 2. EY plus EB minus EA. And plus AX, also plus AX, but value of AX will be 0. This is in question 3, in equation 4. So this is equation number 3. Apply using equation 3 in equation 4. Therefore Q equal to MA by MY into multiply EA plus MB by MY EB minus 2 cos theta, MA by square root under MA by MY EA MB by MY EB plus EB, because this is the value, this is the EY component. So EY component is here. We put in the EY plus EB minus EA. So EB, we take common EB, component of EB on EB. So this one plus this one. So EB, we take common EB, 1 plus MB by MY. Now we take the component EA. So this one and this one. So minus, so we take common minus 1 minus EA minus plus MA by MY and EA. So we take common minus, and as it is, we put it the minus 2 a my ma by my square root under eb mb by ey and outside square root outside cos theta. So this is the q equation of the this is the expression for the q value and known as the q equation of nuclear reaction. So thank you. If you understand, then comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.